health seeker, Inga from Health Origins here again. So another Lightning Wednesday recipe for you guys, and today I've got spaghetti bolognese, plant-based of course. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm adding my wholemeal 100% Italian durum spaghetti. So I've got my pot boiling already. That's important to have your pot of water boiling, and you need to make sure you've got quite a bit of water in there, so you've got enough of water so that your pasta doesn't stick to each other. So I've got that. So I'll let this boil, and in the meantime I'm preheating this stainless steel frying pan, if you like, and we can do a little taste test to see if it's hot enough. There you go guys, this is hot enough. Can you see the bubbles dancing in there? That's great, because now I can fry. So what we're gonna need for this, we're gonna need to fry our onions. Celery. So I've got about 1 medium onion, 2 sticks of celery, and 1 pointed red pepper, guys. And these are kind of the main bits to fry off first. So the important thing to heat up the pan, so that bowl of water, as you can see, was rolling around, it's so that it doesn't stick, because I'm going to be dry frying this. So that's why it's so important to get it on high enough heat so that ingredients are just sliding around the pan, and it will get a little bit caramelized. As you can see, it's getting a little bit caramelized at the bottom there, but we'll be deglazing it as we go with, I normally use a little bit of brine, so I'll get some pickle brine, or you can use olive brine as well, or just a little bit of water or stock. So I've got some water here, so I can just add a tablespoon of that and deglaze it once it starts sticking, and it starts to get this golden color. So I'll grab the stock, the brine. So as you can see, it starts caramelizing here at the bottom a little. So I'm going to just deglaze all that with about a tablespoon of stock. Not stock. In my case is brine, pickle brine. And it gives this nice tanginess as well. I've got a couple of escaping onion and celery here. Can't waste anything. So yeah, so just keep on, frying it like that until for about 5 minutes or so, until it gets nice kind of golden color. So it's been frying for about 3 to 4 minutes now, and I'm gonna add my carrots in here. So it's about 2 small carrots, or 1 big carrot you could add, grated. So I'll mix it in and then let it fry for a couple more minutes. So it's been a couple more minutes. It starts to stick to the bottom again, so I'll pour a couple more tablespoons of pickle brine in. to deglaze the bottom. See, it's cleaning up the bottom, deglazing it nicely. So now we can add mushrooms. So I've got about a cup and a bit of mushrooms, about 4 mushrooms I've chopped up. So I'm gonna add these now as well. If you like smaller pieces, cut them up smaller too. Depends, you know, how you like. Do you like your bolognese chunky, or do you like it quite smooth, you know? Just do it to your preference, basically. So we need to deglaze once again. Starting to proper caramelize now and stick. Perfect. So actually now I think this is ready to add our chopped tomatoes. So I've got a can of chopped tomatoes that I'm going to be adding. And also you can just put another, fill the can with water to properly wash it out as well. So actually I've filled it halfway up the can, and I'm gonna just mix it in now. So what we're gonna be adding now is half a cup of lentils, red lentils. So add these in. And now we'll need to let this to get up to boiling temperature again and simmer for about 10 minutes. And also I'm gonna add couple of tablespoons of molasses, so to give this a little bit of sweetness. So this is roughly about a couple of tablespoons of molasses here. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of soy sauce and about half a tablespoon of liquid smoke. There you go, to give this smoky flavor. So it's gonna back to boiling now. Gonna mix it all in. And now I'm gonna let this simmer on medium for about 10 minutes until the lentils are done. So it's been just over 15 minutes and it's dried out quite a bit. So I think I'm gonna add another half a cup of mixture of water and brine in here and let it simmer for another 5 minutes, because I don't like my chili sauce to be too dry. You know, the not chili sauce, sorry, bolognese sauce even. So the lentils will absorb even more water, and they need, you know, a few more minutes. So I'll give it another 5 minutes. Altogether the lentils would have cooked 20 minutes, guys. So this chili bolognese is about 30 minutes all in all time. Okay, so it's still a very quick recipe. So it's been 20 minutes, guys, and our bolognese is ready. So let's serve it up. So we've got our pasta dish down here, and we're gonna load on the sauce, bolognese sauce. Yum, it's just the right consistency, guys. So it was about 2/3 of a can, you know, where you use the tomato can. If you add 2/3 of the water back in to wash it out, then that's ideal. And then I've got some optional baked tofu that I did to complete the dish. So it's up to you whether you want to add these or not, but I think that's a nice touch. And the last bit, guys, which is optional, I've got this lovely seed mix that I made, pumpkin seed mix, to just finish it off. Voila! Now we're gonna need to get a taste tester. So there we have the taste tester, guys.
Hi everyone. Once again I've been called in to do the hard work. So I shall give you the best review I can, because it looks amazing. I'm actually quite hungry. So here we go. Get that bit of tofu. This is going to be piping hot. It does seem like it.
Just from the pot, darling, just for you.
That's really good.
Yeah, there's a smile for you guys,
yeah,
from Mark.
Shows a good sign. I'm very surprised at how close to actual bolognese it's like.
Awesome.
The flavours are really good. Even the little topping that you've put on. What is that topping?
It's a seed mixture, so it's nice. I think we can add a little bit more of that.
Yeah, it makes sense now that you said that. Yeah, I think you've just got to make it and try it, because I think once you have it, it will become a staple.
Yeah, guys, and the baked tofu is in my recipe, so I'll link a description for you below. The same as for the pumpkin seed mix. So you can do these optional extras if you like as well.
I'm going to enjoy this.
There you go, guys. So
enjoy making it, enjoy eating it. I know I will. Once you've tried it, leave us a comment to tell us how it went. Obviously leave us a thumbs up if you like the video, and until the next time.
And subscribe for more, guys.
Yeah, subscribe. Bye.
See you later.